Well, welcome everybody, East to West Outdoors. We made it to the island finally. It is 8:30. We just got camp set up, or setting camp up. Got really behind today. Had some trouble with well, just getting out of the house, getting stuff going. Had to make a quick trip to Sean's chiropractor, and we made it out. Started. I'm gonna have to do most of my filming probably in here because the wind's kicking up so bad. We made it out here. It was nice and calm. And well, it wasn't nice and calm, it was calm. Saw a bobcat on the way up, jumped out in front of us, and then we outran a thunderstorm. So it's been pretty interesting. We got Sean's over here getting stuff ready. We got the tent up. Like I said though, we are I can't probably do much filming outside today because you won't be able to hear it with my camera. It picks up too much wind noise. So, but anyway, we're gonna get some supper going, get the stove going, get some coffee on, and just nice to be back out on the island, out in lake in Canada. Get ready for some lake trout fish tomorrow morning. So, I'll catch you later after coffee. See ya. Down we go. Where are they coming up, Cal? There they are. You get them to talk, Sean? Do it right now. I had him talking right now.
Pretty.
Get a good shot, Cal? Yeah. Zoom right up on him.
Go.
Hey everybody, we got our first Canadian lake trout here, fishing right off the camp, and I thought this morning it was going to be pretty bad. I had a bad back, and I'm in a lot of pain, but this makes it all worth it. So we're going to fry him up, and hopefully we can catch a few more right off the camp here, and then we're going to go out in the boat and see what I can do. So East to West Outdoors is how we do it. What do you got? All right.
That was so cool!
Right from camp. I love it. All right, Cal.
What?
What happened?
Well, I was reeling it in, and I wasn't really paying attention, and then I saw him flash by it, and then he came back around.
Kelly's reeling them in today.
You want to clean him now?
Yeah. This is stinking great. That's how we do it, baby.
I love his rubberized nets.
Well, here we are in the boat, finally. The weather calmed down enough and it is a gorgeous afternoon. We got Sean here. Say hi, Sean.
Hey.
How you doing up there, Cal?
Hi, I'm good.
How many fish have you caught already?
4.
All right.
They've only caught 1 each.
Sean, catching fish?
1.
One. All right.
Dad, catch any fish?
Yeah, actually.
1.
I caught one and had a few on and had a great time. So, gorgeous night. There's our island over there with potatoes in the coals cooking. So with any luck, we will be catching a few big ones. I had one really big one over here. Well, one big hit anyway. I didn't have it on, but it hit really hard. It seems like they're chucked right full of minnows, so they must be on the feed. So, tomorrow I hope is even better, and we will be getting back with you as soon as we get one on the line. So, catch you later. Ready? Let him go. Let him go. No, no, just a little bit.
I don't know how. I don't know what's going on.
There you go. All right.
He's too small.
Got him on film?
Yep.
Camera? All right, Kelly.
And would that be 5? Thank you very much. He's a little bit small, ain't he?
Yeah.
Oh, he's
Huh?
He's fighting now. Look at him go. Touch me up. Touch me up.
Holy cow. Tiny one. Man, is he fighting? Ready, Kel?
Yeah, I'm ready. Aww.
Well, folks. Not a giant one by any means. Makes its action. Picking up a lot of it. Well, everybody, we just got back from fishing that has turned out to be an absolute fabulous afternoon. The sun's out, it cleared up. It's just got, partly sunny, and we caught some fish this afternoon off the rocks here. We're about ready to fry them up. Got them all filleted, and we're gonna roll them in some Andes mix, which I really like. And we are going to have fried fish and baked potatoes and butter and salt and pepper, and I can't wait. So take a look at this beautiful weather we got going on here. Alright, well, as you can see, we're in the kitchen, and we will be getting back with you just as soon as dinner's done. So, catch you later.
Hey, you got a knife sharpener anywhere? Does that not look right to you? What are you doing? Obviously, taking no apparent reason.
Good morning, everybody. It is 7 o'clock, and we're just getting going. It is just an absolute gorgeous day. I can't get over how nice it is here right now today. All birds are starting to pretty chilly out, but no rain, no snow. Got Sean over there starting to fire. And we got coffee brewing. Really want to see an elk or excuse me, see a moose or a bear on the other side of the shore, but not yet. So anyway, we're gonna get some breakfast going and hopefully we get in a boat. We've caught a lot of fish. I think we caught 4 last night. Let them go. But it's our last full day here, so we get some coffee going, start waking up. Get you later. Well, we're just doing some early morning fishing out in the rocks, and haven't got anything, but the loons are out, birds are out, sun's out. Gorgeous morning, so can't get any better than this. That's how we do it. Well, good morning again. I'm kind of out in the boat by myself because, as every parent knows, there comes a time when you gotta let your kids kind of go on their own. Well, my daughter and son are out canoeing by themselves. So Dad's out here by himself. So, it ain't all a bad thing. And learning on their own. Sean's been doing all the cooking this trip. He's doing a really good job taking care of the kitchen and everything. My back finally went back into place. Weirdest thing in the world. I lay down on a rock and it just popped right back in, so I'm feeling a whole lot better. So, I don't think we're going to make it back to the brook trout lakes that we usually fish because I just don't want it to go out again carrying the canoe. So, anyway, having a great time. The fish are starting to surface out here, hitting some surface bugs or whatnot. So I'm going to go out here and, with a Rapala and cast around, see what I can do. So if not, I'll go up and have another cup of coffee. So catch you later. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to East to West Outdoors here in Canada. I'm here with my daughter Kelly.
Hi.
Son Sean behind the camera. We're sitting around the campfire after a hard day of fishing. Well, actually, it's been a very relaxed day. It's very nice, absolute perfect weather. The only trouble is I've been laid up. I woke up at 6 o'clock this morning, went to make some coffee, and wound up on the ground for the second day. Laid there for about a half hour, but we managed to get in the boat today and survive. And we have our cane here, so never let a bad back stop you from fishing. So, like I said, perfect day, perfect weather, good fishing, Kel. So, sitting around a campfire, just had some spaghetti, had some s'mores last night. Probably have some s'mores tonight. S'mores. All right, everybody. We'll catch you later in a little bit.
Right now we're on another island, just a bit of a boat ride away from the one we're staying on. Though somebody did stay up here. It's a really nice island full of woods, and it's got lots of places to fish out on the shoreline. And my dad was wondering how a rabbit gets on an island. I don't have the answer to that, but just a thought. It's really nice out here. Nice weather today. Nice puffy clouds. Looks like sheep. Not too windy, just enough wind to keep the bugs away. And he'll be back with more.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, East to West Outdoors. We're gonna fish a lake trout right here, baby. Trying to keep them away from the rocks.
Got the netter. He's going for the rocks. Woo! It's a dandy.
Right here, baby. Baby lake trout. That's how we do it. We already got our limit, so we gotta let this one go. Ain't that pretty? Yeah. Right off camp. I love it. Well, welcome everybody. It is the last morning. It is 6:30 in the morning. It is beautiful out, but as you can see, we got a lot of overcast. Yesterday the wind kicked up really bad, so we're gonna pack up and bug out of here while the wind still died down. So it's gonna take us about an hour to pack up, and then maybe if we have enough time, we'll head up to another lake just north on the road here, just kind of take another quick look, see what's some more lakes around. So we got some friends over here picking up scraps. Wishing we'd stay and throw them some more. So, but we're gonna get going, and we'll see you on the road. East West Outdoors. Well, everybody, we are heading out. We're all packed up, ready to go. It's a beautiful morning, overcast. A bit just good fishing, but it's been good fishing the whole time we've been here. So, motor's purring along. Kelly, come out, Kelly. Kelly doesn't want to go. I'm packing up the canoe. We got a lot of stuff in here. So we'll be catching you from the landing over there. So East West Outdoors, baby. How we do it.